Hi there! Look at these perfectly shaped, beautifully decorated gingerbread cookies. Just the thing to add a festive touch to your Christmas celebrations. In this video, I'm sharing my no spread, no chill gingerbread cookie recipe. It's simple, reliable, and guarantees crisp, clean edges every single time. We have all been there, spending time carefully cutting out cookies, only to have them bake into puffy, unrecognizable shapes. But don't worry, I've got the solution. I will walk you through the recipe step by step, and stick around as I share some fun decorating ideas to bring these cookies to life. Need my royal icing recipe? You will find the link in the description. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with the dry ingredients. Gingerbread cookies are all about spices. I have cinnamon, ground ginger, ground nutmeg, allspice, and salt. Mix these into the flour, stirring thoroughly to ensure everything is well distributed. Now for the wet ingredients, add the butter, light brown sugar, and caster sugar to the mixing bowl of a stand mixer fitted with a pedal attachment. I used golden caster sugar here because I ran out of regular one, but don't worry, normal caster sugar works just as fine. Mix until the ingredients are just combined. Be careful not to cream the butter. Just like this. Next, add the egg, molasses, and vanilla extract to the bowl. Mix until the ingredients are just mixed together. They don't need to be fully combined. Stop the mixer and scrape down the bottom and the sides of the bowl to make sure nothing sticks. Gradually add the dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients in 2 additions. Mix slightly after the first addition, then add the second and mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. If you notice some flour hasn't fully mixed in, I recommend using a silicone spatula to gently fold in by hand instead of relying on the machine. Alright, our gingerbread cookie dough is done. It's easy, isn't it? Since this dough requires no chilling, let's preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius fan while we roll it out. That way, once the cookies are cut, they are ready to go straight into the oven. Take 2 sheets of parchment paper and sandwich the dough between them to avoid adding extra flour, which could affect the dough's consistency. Roll out the dough to about 6 mm thick. This is just my personal preference, as I think it's the perfect thickness for gingerbread cookies, but keep in mind that the baking time may vary depending on how thick you roll the dough. Once the dough is rolled evenly, peel off the top parchment paper and cut out shapes using your favorite cookie cutters. As you can see, you won't need to dust your cookie cutter with extra flour. This is the beauty of this dough. Carefully peel off the excess dough, then transfer the cut-out shapes onto a lined baking pan. You can use a spatula or your hands. Both methods work well. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough. Remember, there's no need for extra flour, just use parchment paper. This method keeps the dough's texture consistent and prevents it from drying out. Once you have cut out your cookies, bake them in the preheated oven for around 10 to 14 minutes. For reference, mine took about 12 minutes. As you can see, the cookies have held their shapes perfectly. No puffing up or spreading at all. I'm super happy with how they turned out. Let the cookies sit on the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely before decorating. Alright, the cookies are cool, let's get decorating. And there you have it. These no spread, no chill gingerbread cookies are ready to bring some festive cheer to your celebrations. I hope you enjoy watching as much as I enjoy creating them, and that you give this recipe a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more recipes. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks so much for joining me today and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!